Hello guys, this is a part 2. So the last one we did was a trampoline. Now we are gonna be exploring the great outdoors. Screw the outdoors! I wanna go in that bush. I can get in it. I can't get in it. Or the real pirate can get inside a bush. Ow. No, a bunny can get inside a bush. I did it! Yeah, but I bet I can jump into the bush fully. Oh, I did not. In fact, it was even worse. I'm okay. I'm not okay. I made it. I made it to the top. Oh God, darn. Guys, help! I'm stuck. Guys, I'm stuck. Literally, I'm stuck. Let's see if I can reach you. Okay, we got that ton. Baseball. Wait, if there's a baseball back here, that means there's a baseball. Ooh, ball, whatever that's called. Ball, something. I'm gonna get it. Well, that must be what that baseball bat goes to. Ah, makes sense. Makes sense. Oh, I'll get it. Oh, nature is retiring, man. Whew. Okay. So close. See, I got it. Got it. Okay, guys, I got it. Okay. Ow. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do it first before it storms. Wait. Okay. Actually, there's gonna be 4 parts to this. This is the second part. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ah, that was a good hit. Oh, okay. God, why is it so? Okay, I got the baseball bat. It's time for me. 3, 2, 1. I stuck. Ouch. I suck. Yeah. Okay, I got this. I'm at least having a better day for you, Foxy. Shut up, Chica. Don't talk to your ex-girlfriends that way. 3, 2, 1. What? Yes! Ow. Yeah, I get it. Woo! Okay. I got the ball. Wait. Okay. Big ball. That's in hand. Oh gosh, I dropped it. Okay. And Cody, don't do it. Anyway. Oh, it even bounced off. I'll get it. Okay. Grab it. Grab it. Whew. Hold it, Freddy. It's your turn. Cool. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be super cool. Bat off. Bat off. Hey! Dang it! Yeah. I got pretty far though. I knocked over the T. Oh yeah, it's called the T. Okay, I got it. Huh? Okay, chop them up into two. Chop them up into two.
Into 2 pieces?
No, chop the 2 pieces into 2.
So you want them to look like you have 4 hot dogs?
Yes.
Okay.
Woohoo! That felt amazing. Woohoo! Huh. Now what else do we do? Let's get some hula hoops. Okay. These are, 4 hula hoops. I get the blue one. Yeah. I got the blue one. The orange one is for Freddy. The pink one for Chica. And the red one for Foxy. Okay, got the hula hoops. Okay. Okay. Found the hula hoops. Nah, hula hooping is... Yeah. I think we could hula hoop it all, but in a box. I'm trying to not know how to hula hoop. And we'll see you in part 3. Bye.